How can I read effectively? This is a question that you may have. This is a question that I had. I remember coming to college, enjoying my first year in college, and at the same time struggling because I had to read a lot of materials, a lot of books, a lot of chapters, a lot of articles. How can we read effectively? I want to share with you a couple of tips that might help you. First of all, let me tell you a secret. Every chapter, every book, every article that you read, even every paragraph, revolves around a main idea. If you can find the main idea of that chapter, that book, that article, you are safe. So the first tip that I want to share with you in this video on how to read effectively is try to find the main idea. Of course, this is not as easy as it sounds. It demands a little bit of hard work. Maybe you have to go through the chapter a couple of times. But it doesn't mean that you have to read every word. Maybe skimming a little bit here and there might help you. Maybe the headings will also help you to find the main idea or ideas of the chapter. The second tip that I want to share with you. Remember this. After reading the chapter, you have to make it your own. In other words, come up with your summary of the chapter. Come up with your summary of the book. Come up with your summary of the article that you read. Reading is not enough. That would be input, but output is also really important. If you're able to write down in a paragraph what the chapter was about, what the article was about, what the book was about, that will stay with you. Tip number 1, find the main idea. Tip number 2, make it your own by writing your own summary of the chapter, the book, or the article you read.